Welcome back to Pharmistic. So in this video, we will be talking about how to start organic chemistry for GPAT and NIPA JEE. So organic chemistry might sound scary, but it is all about carbon-based molecule. For example, you are a chef in a giant kitchen. Instead of dealing with atta or maida, you are dealing with carbon and hydrogen. That's it. Scientist. So before jumping towards the core topics to be covered in organic chemistry, let's understand the basic topics to be covered in organic chemistry.
बात तो सही है.
So you have to be well versed with the functional groups. What are the different types of functional groups? What are their roles? After understanding the whole concept of functional groups, jump towards hydrocyclic ring. What is furan? Furan, it is an unsaturated five-membered oxygen-containing compound. What is pyrrole? What is thiophene? Indole, quinoline, isoquinoline, phenothiazine, and many more rings. After learning about this ring, understand the concept of bonding and hybridization. What is bond order? What is bond strength? What is bond length? What is the interconnection between them? After that, learn about hybridization.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
So, कोई भी चीज करने का ना एक फ्लो होता है, वैसे ही ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पढ़ने के लिए एक फ्लो होता है फॉर फार्मेसी एग्जाम. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द फ्लो. So first you have to start with electronegativity. What in electronegativity? There are trends in electronegativity. What are the factors affecting electronegativity? After understanding the whole concept of electronegativity, jump towards electron displacement effect. What are the different types of effect? There are two types of effect: permanent effect and temporary effect. In permanent effect, inductive effect comes, mesomeric effect comes, hyperconjugation, and in temporary effect, electromeric effect comes. After understanding the whole concept of electron displacement effects, come towards aromaticity. What are aromatic compounds? What are anti-aromatic compounds? Learn that. After understanding aromaticity, jump towards hydrocyclic compound. What are hydrocyclic compound? Nomenclature of hydrocyclic compound, basicity of hydrocyclic compound, and aromaticity of hydrocyclic compounds. After understanding the hydrocyclic compounds, then come towards hybridization, the core hybridization. What is sp? What is sp2? What is sp3? What does it mean? After completing hybridization, jump towards isomerization. It is one of the important topics in organic chemistry. What are the different types of isomerization? After completing the isomerization, jump towards reaction intermediates. What are reaction intermediates? Carbocation, carbon containing positive charge. What is carbanion? Carbon containing negative charge. What is carbene? What is nitrene? What are their stability orders? Learn all that. After completing reaction intermediates, jump towards types of reaction. It is one of the most important topics in organic chemistry. In types of reaction, there are substitution reaction, elimination reaction, addition reaction, rearrangement reaction. इसमें ही SN1, SN2 आता है, इसमें ही E1, E2 आता है. So it becomes the most important topic in organic chemistry. After completing all this, last but not the least, our favorite name reaction. Do the name reaction. So these are 8 to 9 topics you have to cover for organic chemistry.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
First of all, refer standard books like MS Chauhan, Morrison. After that, make your own notes. Yes, please make your own notes. Be a professional. एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले अरे भाई नोट्स भेज देना, अरे अरे भाई प्लीज नोट्स भेज देना, ये सब मत करो. बी अ प्रोफेशनल, खुद के हाथ से नोट्स बनाओ. कि जैसे ही तुमने नोट्स बनाए उसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. मान लो कि आज तुमने हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन किया तो उसके ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो उसी दिन. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, एक्टिव मेमोराइजेशन. मान लो कि तुम अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ जा रहे हो और उसको समझा दो भाई फ्यूरान क्या होता है. फ्यूरान, सुन, फ्यूरान इट इज एन अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड विद 5 मेंबर्ड ऑक्सीजन कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का ये.
ऐसा समझा दो उसको यार. सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. साहिल गुप्ता साइनिंग ऑफ. पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए.